Top 200 Modern Luxury Kitchen Designs, 2023. Add a touch of luxury to your own kitchen with our unusual luxury kitchen ideas. Welcome to my channel, where I share tips and ideas to help you make the most of your living space. In today's video, we will be showing you how to create a modern luxury kitchen that will be the envy of all your friends and family. Let's face it, the kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where you cook, entertains, and gather as a family. As people spend in the kitchens, they want to turn them into more luxurious spaces. Whether you're looking for ways to add a touch of luxury to your own kitchen, or are in the market for a complete renovation, there are plenty of options. In this video, we share luxury kitchen ideas to suit every taste to help you get started. Install crisp white cabinetry and countertops. Installing crisp white cabinetry and countertops is one of the best ways to add a touch of luxury to your kitchen. White cabinets provide a clean, fresh look that can make even the most modest kitchen feel bright and spacious. Countertops, made from white granite or marble, add beauty and function, providing a durable surface that resists scratches and stains. Stainless steel accents. Stainless steel is a timeless material that adds a touch of elegance to any space. It also has the added benefit of being easy to clean and maintain. When choosing stainless steel accents for your kitchen, consider items like faucets, appliances, and light fixtures. You can also find stainless steel backsplashes and countertops. Adding just a few stainless steel accents allows you to create a luxury kitchen that your friends will envy. Bright and white. Luxurious kitchens tend to be spacious and bright. This can be achieved with light cabinetry, flooring, and lights. White, in particular, is a clean and fresh color that instantly makes any room feel more luxurious. When using bright colors, be sure to use them in moderation. Too much brightness can overwhelm the space and make it feel small. When using white, make sure it complements the other colors in the room. Incorporate warm wood elements. Wood is a material that immediately adds warmth and sophistication to any space, making it the perfect way to give your kitchen an upscale feel. Wood cabinets can be stained in a rich hue to create a luxurious look. Adding wood floors or accents will also help to create a warm and inviting space. If you want to take things a step further, consider adding wooden beams to the ceiling. These details will give your kitchen an elegant and sophisticated feel. Combine sleek stone with rich wood. When it comes to luxury kitchens, there's nothing quite like the classic combination of sleek stone and rich wood. Stone countertops and backsplashes provide a luxurious look, while wood cabinetry adds warmth and sophistication. The key to pulling off this look is to use high-quality materials and carefully consider each element's proportions. Go all out with stainless steel from top to bottom. It's no secret that stainless steel appliances are a staple in luxury kitchens. But did you know that you can take your kitchen to the next level by incorporating stainless steel into every aspect of the design? From countertops and backsplashes to range hoods, appliances, and fixtures, stainless steel is a great material for a high-end look. Glossy white surfaces. If you're looking for a luxury kitchen, one of the easiest ways to achieve the look is through glossy white surfaces. High-gloss cabinets and countertops reflect light, giving the illusion of more space. They also create a sleek, modern look that is perfect for luxury kitchens. Pair glossy white surfaces with neutral colors, like black or gray, for a clean and elegant effect. Add eye-catching brass hardware. Brass is a beautiful metal with a warm, golden color that is perfect for creating an elegant kitchen. Consider pairing brass with white or warm-colored cabinets. Use brass light figures, faucets, and cabinet hardware or accessories to give your kitchen an extra boost of luxury. Incorporate different types of marble. There are many types of marble, each with unique veining and coloration. Mix and match different types of marble to create a stunning visual effect. For example, use white Carrara marble for the countertops and backsplash, then add black Marquina marble for the flooring. Add accents of green malachite or pink rose quartz to complete the look. Use a mix of materials. A luxury kitchen is more than just granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. It's a space that should reflect your unique style and personality. One way to create a luxury kitchen is to mix and match different materials. For example, you could pair a wooden countertop with marble floor tiles. Or, you could use glass cabinet doors to add a touch of elegance. Install sculptural lighting. Sculptural lighting comes in many forms, from hanging pendant lights to chandeliers in various materials, including glass, metal, and even crystal. No matter what style you choose, sculptural lighting will add an element of elegance and luxury to your kitchen. Plus, it can help to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Create a large seating area. A luxury kitchen isn't complete without a large, comfortable seating area. After all, what's the point of having a beautiful space if you can't enjoy it with friends and family? A spacious island is a perfect place to gather for conversation and cocktails. It also provides a convenient spot for prep work and dining. Consider a banquet or a small table and chairs if you're short on space. Opt for matte finishes. Matte finishes are unique because they have a soft, velvety texture that creates an element of refinement. They also tend to be more forgiving than other finishes, conceal fingerprints and smudges, and are easy to clean. You can use matte finishings on countertops, backsplashes, cabinets, and appliances. Choose muted hues. Muted colors have an elegant quality that can make any space feel more refined. They are perfect for those who want to make a statement without being too over the top. When used correctly, muted hues can transform your kitchen into a true showpiece. Go for simple and sleek. One of the simplest ways to create a luxurious look in your kitchen is to go for a sleek and minimalist aesthetic. This can be achieved by using clean lines and subtle details. For instance, opt for cabinetry with simple hardware, or go for a backsplash that makes a statement without being too busy. Add streamlined storage. You can create a sleek and sophisticated look by decluttering your countertops and minimizing the number of small appliances on display. Hidden storage options, like cabinets with sliding doors or under cabinet drawers, can help to further reduce the appearance of clutter. Add cozy oak paneling. Adding cozy oak paneling to your kitchen creates an instant feeling of luxury. The rich, warm tones of the wood add sophistication and elegance to any space. At the same time, the natural grain pattern creates a unique visual interest. The paneling also helps to create a cozier atmosphere in the kitchen, making it more inviting and comfortable. Install a vibrant mosaic backsplash. Mosaic backsplashes, made with colorful tiles, are a luxurious addition to any kitchen. As mosaic tiles are available in a wide range of colors and patterns, you can create a truly unique look. Opt for a custom-designed backsplash that complements your kitchen's overall style to add originality to your kitchen. Introduce a two-tone color combination. Two-tone color schemes are not only beautiful, but they also help to create an illusion of space. Choose two colors that are either complementary or contrasting. For a more traditional look, choose colors in the same family, such as cream and white. Try a contrasting color scheme, such as black and white, for a more modern look. Two-island solution for a massive kitchen space. If you have a large kitchen, consider having two kitchen islands. It's a great way to add more counter and storage space and seating space without overwhelming the room. Two kitchen islands will also make your kitchen look more luxurious and expensive. Go for an open-plan kitchen layout. By opening the space between your kitchen and dining room, you can create a sleek, streamlined look that feels both high-end and modern. An open-plan layout gives the area a light and airy feel while allowing you to flow seamlessly from cooking to entertaining. You can also incorporate other luxury features, like an island with a sink or a built-in range. Add a hidden pantry. Hidden pantries are a popular trend in luxury kitchens because they provide extra storage without sacrificing style. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, hidden pantries can help keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Elevate your backsplash with a modern metal finish. Metal backsplashes are sleek and contemporary, and come in various colors and styles to suit any taste. They are a perfect solution for elevating your kitchen's style. Consider a backsplash made of stainless steel or copper for a truly luxurious look. Opt for a metal backsplash with a brushed finish if you prefer a more subdued look. Thank you for watching this video on how to create a modern luxury kitchen. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember to plan and design your space carefully. Choose high-quality materials and appliances, and incorporate design elements that will give your kitchen that extra touch of luxury. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.